The first thing that people notice when they walk into the kitchen is the brick. I've always been a creative. I got into interior design shortly out of college. My personal style is this hybrid of a little bit of old and a little bit of new. It's all about balance, having a nice balance of solids with patterns, warms with cools. The kitchen is a really prime example of my style in general. You walk in and you see this beautiful exposed brick that looks like it's been there for 100 years. But then you turn to the left and you see this funky leaf patterned wallpaper. My goal for this space was to really have a true, authentic looking English countryside style kitchen. I stumbled across General Shale's products. I immediately knew that I needed to have this brick in my kitchen. I think it is really important for people to realize that a space can be both very functional and also very aesthetically pleasing. Again, finding that perfect balance between form and function was so important for me, and I think I was able to achieve just that in the kitchen. Working with, General Shale has just been such a pleasure. This has been the most enjoyable project for me, and not just because of the product, but because of the people that I've been able to work with on this.